Today in the grain market, soybeans were a little bit lower. There is some concern that the stocks may be really big when that report comes on Friday. And it looks like, that we may find 1 billion bushels of old crop just waiting around. That definitely is going to weigh very, very heavy on the market. And I think that as time goes by, everyone's getting a little bit nervous. The G20 summit is supposed to really possibly might produce something positive, but we haven't really heard anything yet at all. So it's pretty quiet on that front. So we're not sure which way to go, and that's why we're going to see a little bit more of an ebb and a flow in these markets. So even though we had a pullback today, it's kind of just moving sideways somewhat. Corn slipped a little bit today. Some uncertainty about Friday's report. It's got everyone a little bit nervous. No one really knows what these numbers are going to be. And as time passes, some of the traders get a little bit uncomfortable. You see the market moving, above and below the unchanged mark. Perhaps we've kind of topped out where we are right now from the big surge and rally in corn that we've seen. And weather definitely is going to play a role even for the next couple of days. But we're really watching for that report coming on Friday, because it is so important to find out if we do get some big cuts in acreage. But let's be clear that all the information isn't going to be out on Friday. So we're going to be looking as well to the report coming in July to really get a final count on what our acres are. But this should give us a little bit of a tell about what direction we're going to start to move. Now, wheat was mixed today, and probably because of that, there's conflicting news back and forth. The USDA report will really expose just how much wheat we have on hand and what little demand is out there. It seems that the weather issues in the U.S. and abroad have been giving it some volatility and kind of holding the market up a little higher. Certainly with corn and soybeans rallying, that really helped wheat move on the upside as well. But overall, the outlook does look kind of bearish, so everyone's a little bit cautious. We haven't seen the market move lower yet, and we know that the funds are a little bit long here, so maybe the market, they're supporting their own market and keeping it afloat. It still looks pretty good, even though the market was kind of mixed today. So I think that we're going to be trading on both sides of the market until Friday, until we really get our number, 11 o'clock on Friday. It should be an interesting day on that day.